In this tutorial, I'll show you how to inject custom CSS into a Jotform form. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Forms. Find the form you want to customize and click Edit Form to open it in the Form Builder. In the top right corner, click the Paint Roller icon to open the Form Designer. In the Form Designer, stay on the Styles tab and scroll down until you find Inject Custom CSS. Paste or type your custom CSS into the code editor. You can use this section to customize elements such as colors, fonts, spacing, buttons, and other styling options. After entering your CSS, click anywhere outside the editor to save your changes automatically. To see how your form looks, enable Preview Form in the top right corner and review the updated design. If needed, return to the CSS editor and make additional adjustments. That's how to inject custom CSS into a Jotform form. Thanks for watching.